Let's make caramelized onion with brown sugar. And for this simple recipe, we've got here 1 kilogram of white onions. If you can, go for even more, because once you cook them and they get caramelized, they will shrink pretty much to nothing. And we want to slice this, and we're going to go first into half. And I want to get rid of the root of the onion, which this can be quite tough even after cooking your onion for quite a bit of time. And now we're going to get into slicing. And you don't need to be extremely precise, because due to the slightly longer cooking process, the consistency of the onion will be pretty much the same. Now, to begin with, there is quite a bit of volume of onion here, so that's why you need a slightly bigger pot. And we're getting in about 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna set the pan on medium-high heat. We also want to go in with about a teaspoon of table salt, and that's because once you're adding the salt, this will help extract the moisture from the onion. Now from here on, time is our best friend, because we want to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it gets a deep color of caramelization. And every now and then you want to give it a good mix, making sure that the onion doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan and it caramelizes evenly. Now after about 20 minutes of cooking, you should see the onion going brown, and that's when it starts getting caramelized. And this is the time when we're going in with half tablespoon of brown sugar. This will speed up the caramelization process, and it will also bring some more sweetness to the caramelized onions. And now that we have quite a bit of sweetness in there, we need to balance it with some acid, and in this situation we're using balsamic vinegar. Now the secret here is to get the perfect balance between sweet and sour. That's why we're going to begin slowly with about 3 tablespoons. Stir this in and give it about 2 minutes of cooking so the onion gets the chance to absorb some of those flavors. Taste and see if you need any more balsamic vinegar. And I feel like we've got the perfect balance here, so we're not going to add any more, but we're going to continue cooking this for a further 6-7 minutes, so the total cooking time will be about 30 minutes. And your caramelized onion is now ready. You can use it in burgers, you can use it in steak sandwiches, you can use it in whatever you want. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.